This message is coming from the Green Lake RCMP. ATVs almost and safety. Tumahamiugis ikaw ay sumegwa. Yuko the RCMP, they want to remind you about safety. And some of the tips they have there are to always abide by traffic laws and regulations. Po tansita kay si pinita swata ko ka yogi go expote sikta pa tamin tapmit sa hamini kunenge. Ikwa to wear the gear, always wear an improved helmet and protective eyewear per equipment regulation. Pagod tap to those hard hats and helmets, put up to tas tayo ni Batuay ko mina eyewear, sisi sunglasses kagiastano kapinta paso ma. You gotta be 16 years of age. Nakutasi ko sap. You got pamisig yun tayain. Panawis tapat sa heti wat ATV kaita ko in public land. And the youth between ages of 12 and 15, they can operate an ATV on public land and make crossroads if they have passed an approved ATV training. Ikudobe kagipamistigiwak tuiwak maga po, they have to have an ATV training course from 12 to 15 years of age. And they have to be supervised po tawitiwagan tawitiugotsik to be supervised that have a valid driver's license. The supervising rider can be riding a different ATV or on the same ATV as the youth. So iwawa kapin kakanawi misawa pugo. The supervising rider can be riding a different ATV or be on the same ATV as the youth.